Welcoming class 9 students. Now today in the crash course of mathematics class we are going to take some very important questions from NCERT book on the topic area of parallelogram. Two very important theorem we have studied in this one, that parallelogram lies on same base and in between same parallel lines are equal in areas. Converse of this one, that if two parallelogram lies on same base and having same area lies between same parallel line, then you have studied that if a parallelogram and triangle lies on same base and between same parallel line, area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. Converse of this one, if a parallelogram and triangle lies on same base and area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram, then both lies on between same parallel lines. Okay. Now, here I am going to take question number 2 of exercise 9.3. In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint. So I forgot to explain one theorem, and this theorem is also very important. So before I am going to take questions, again come back and first I will take one theorem, that median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas. What is median? अगर आपसे पूछा जाए मीडियन क्या है? Line segment drawn from vertex of a triangle bisecting the opposite base. Suppose we have given a triangle ABC. I select this vertex and a line segment drawn from opposite vertex bisecting the base, then this is called median. So we have to study one very important theorem related to median, that median of a triangle divide a triangle into two triangles of equal area. Suppose we have given triangle ABC, AB is the median. Given triangle ABC, AB is median on BC. क्या प्रूव करना है बच्चों को? To prove area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ABC. एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे हम लोग. Draw AM perpendicular on BC. AM perpendicular on BC. What does it mean? This AM perpendicular on BC is perpendicular on BD as well as on DC. If I am taking base as BD, which will be the perpendicular? AM. If I am taking DC as a base, which will be the perpendicular? AM. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear है बच्चों? Very good. Now prove. BD is equal to DC is equal to X. इसको मान लीजिए आप. ये दोनों इक्वल है, BD है तो. अब यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. half into base. Base is equal to BD. And perpendicular is equal to AM. Half into DC. Perpendicular is equal to AM. Okay. Now, this both will be cancelled, BD and BC. That is stand for x upon x. That is equal to 1 upon 1. Which means, do the cross multiplication, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. आपका ये थ्योरम दो स्टेज में प्रूव किया। अब इस क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं आप, ठीक है ना। एक्सरसाइज 9.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of the median AD. E is the midpoint of median AD. अब देखिए क्या हमको लिखना है, गिवन क्या है बच्चों, गिवन AB is median of BC. E is the midpoint of AD. क्या प्रूव करना है आपको, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BED, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BED is equal to 1 upon 4 एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AB। अभी जस्ट हमने एक थ्योरम पढ़ा है, वो थ्योरम क्या कहता है, मीडियन ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल डिवाइड इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल एरियाज। मीडियन ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल डिवाइड इट्स इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल एरियाज। अब यानी कि प्रूफ, we have to find the relation between this smallest triangle and the bada triangle. Okay. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half of the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half of the area of triangle ABC. इससे median. In triangle ABD, BE is median on AD. In triangle ABD, BE is median on AD. Now I'll ask you questions. Now BE is median. You stand. What's your name? Sakshi. Then what is the relation between triangle BED and ABD? Speak up fast. If you don't know, say sir, I don't know. कान नहीं सुन रहा है। Relation between BED and ABD. This is the problem. When I am explaining the theorem, explaining the questions, condition of the question, you are talking with your friends. Anyone else? See, these are your friends who are sitting in the same classroom and they have the answer, clear-cut answer. You please stand.
Sir, BED is half of ABD.
Very good. What is your name?
Altamas.
Altamas. Very good. And Sakshi. Next time you will be taken on task. Okay? So here area of triangle BED is equal to half of the area of triangle ABD again because of median theorem. From equation 1 we can, in the place of area of triangle ABD, we can write here half of the area of triangle ABC. लिख सकते हैं हम लोग?
Yes.
So this one is equal to half into ABD will be replaced by
ABC. Area of
Half of area of triangle
ABC.
ABC from equation
1.
1. So, area of triangle BED is equal to 1 upon 4 of area of triangle AB. Very easy. God bless you. Now, welcome class 9 in the offline class, crash course of maths class. We are discussing area and volume, and we are taking some very important questions in your doubt class, which you have asked. One of your friend who has asked this question number 3. What's the name? Mohammed Kab. This is the doubt of Mohammed Kab. Question number 3. Show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. You have given a parallelogram. Given parallelogram ABCD. We have to prove that the diagonal of parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. Then you have to prove, suppose this one is A. Area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle DOA. What is the characteristics or what is the properties of diagonals of a parallelogram?
Sir, diagonals of a parallelogram divide the parallelogram into 2 congruent triangles.
Any other property? You are correct. Any other property of diagonals of parallelogram?
They are equal.
So the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas.
Same thing. But Aditya has said, he has said in
Congruent हो गया तो
different-
equal.
No discussion. Any other property of diagonal of parallelogram?
The diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other.
Very good. What is your name?
Anam.
Anam, very correct answer. That diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Very good, Anam. Now, if they bisect each other, which means they are median on other diagonals. Okay. So here proof application since diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. AO is median on BD. Or CO is median on BD. AO and CO are median on BD. क्या लिखेंगे? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AOD is equal to area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle AOB. Now, this BO is median on AC.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The area of triangle AOB is equal to BOC.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC by BO is median on AC. अब इसको पकड़ो BOC को. BOC is equal to COD. Area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COD. Okay. क्या लिख देना? केवल मीडियन थ्योरम. मीडियन थ्योरम. अब इसको पकड़ो COD को. COD is equal to DOA. DO is median on AC. Area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle DOA because of median theorem. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4, and 4 is equal to 1. Which means 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 4. So you write here from 1, 2, 3 and
4.
Now from 1 equation 1, 2, 3, 4 we can write here area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COA is equal to area of triangle DOA.
True.
Cap, is it clear? चलिए और डाउट मैं लेता हूँ.
RS Question number 32.
क्वेश्चन नंबर
32 of exercise 11.
सीधे आप चले हैं 32 पर. देखिए now Krish and Aditya has asked from RS Agrawal exercise
11.
11 question number 32. Now see here, the question is somewhat not very easy. The given figure shows that a pentagon ABCDE. ABCDE. Pentagon means
Five sides.
Triangle with 5 sides.
5 sides. It is a regular pentagon. पेंटागन कहने से क्या किसकी याद आती है बताओ तो बच्चों. यूएसए का जो आपका आर्मी ऑफिस है यूएसए का
पेंटागन.
वो पेंटागन शेप में है. उसको पेंटागन से ही बोलते हैं. ए बी नेमिंग देखिए कैसे दिया हुआ है. नहीं यहाँ से दिया हुआ है. ए बी सी डी एंड ई. इट इज अ पेंटागन. ओके. EG drawn parallel to DA. EG is drawn parallel to DA. EG is drawn parallel to DA. EG is drawn parallel to DA. Got it? Mila?
Yes, sir.
EG drawn parallel to DA meets BA produced at G. अब फिर आगे पढ़ते हैं. CF drawn parallel to DB. DB को पहले जॉइन कर दो. CF drawn parallel to BD. ये दोनों पैरेलल हो गया. ठीक है ना बच्चों? Means AB produced at F. AB produced at F. Show that to prove area of pentagon ABCDE. Area of ABCDE is equal to area of triangle DGF. Area of triangle DGF. मैं एक बार फिर क्वेश्चन को एक्सप्लेन करता हूं बच्चों, ध्यान से देखो. You have given a pentagon ABCDE. ABCDE. You have given a pentagon. Two conditions we have given. EG is parallel to and CF is parallel to
DB.
We have to prove that DGF. DGF. अब इसको भी लिख दो. DGF. ये ट्रायंगल जो है हमारा is equal to ABCD. अब यहाँ देखिए, अब आपको कल जो मैंने आपको थ्योरम बताया था yesterday, एरिया ऑफ triangle lies on same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. हम बता दें
Half of
area
area of parallel.
नहीं, ये भी है सही है. It triangle lies on same base and between
Same
parallel lines are
Equal area.
equal in area. इस पैरेललोग्राम पढ़ा था ना आपने?
Yes.
आपने पढ़ा था पैरेललोग्राम lies on same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. Likewise, triangle lies on same base and between same parallel lines are equal in
Area.
अब देखो AGED को ध्यान से देखो. Proof. ये 3 से 4 स्टेप में बन जाएगा बच्चों.
Yes.
ये ध्यान से देखोगे तो AGED. You have to find out two triangles in this quadrilateral AGDE lies on same base and between same parallel line. अब देखिए, we'll consider AD as base and AD is parallel to ED. AED, area of triangle
AEB.
AED and area of triangle AGD, area of triangle AGD. What is the relation between them?
So they are equal because they are same
अब
parallel.
यार लिखेंगे कि since triangles lie on same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. अब यहाँ पर क्लियर कर दो. AGD and AED, area of triangle AED is equal to area of triangle AGD. इसमें बेस कितना हो गया हमारा? AD हो गया. और पैरेलल लाइन कौन सा हो गया हमारा? EG is parallel to DA. It is given that EG is parallel to DA. Equation 1 हो गया. अब हमको फिर से यहाँ पर ध्यान दो बच्चों, हमको क्या करना है? DGF को इक्वल करना है. DGF ट्रायंगल लेना है. We'll take DGF. इसमें कौन सा ट्रायंगल आता है हमारा? AGD आता है. तो AGD इस कंडीशन में किधर लिखा है? राइट साइड की लेफ्ट साइड? राइट साइड. तो ये जो ट्रायंगल DGF का इधर वाला जो ट्रायंगल पार्ट होगा उसको किधर लिखना पड़ेगा? राइट साइड. दिस इज द यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस रैशनल स्किल. ये जो मैं समझा रहा हूं ये किसी बुक में नहीं मिलेगा आपको. That's why the teacher's explanation is more important than the answer that is given in any book. Because the trick which we are sharing with you, explaining with you, that trick is not mentioned in any book. मैंने आपको क्या बताया बच्चों कि हमको ये इस ट्रायंगल को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम देख रहे हैं इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट क्या है? AGD है ना?
Yes.
तो AGD is written on the right side of the equation 1.
Yes, sir.
So here if I want to take this BDF, because BDF is also the part of AGD, है ना? So where should the BDF will be written?
Right side.
Right side or left side?
Right side.
Right side.
You got this idea?
Yes.
अभी आपको समझ में आ गया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ देखिए, इसमें भी वो दो चीज ढूंढना है. BD is the base
Base.
and BDF is equal to BCD. तो BDF हम किधर लिखेंगे?
Right side.
Area of triangle BDF is equal to area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. दोनों में देख रहे हैं BD है, तो यहाँ पर बेस क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? BD. पैरेलल लाइन क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? DB is parallel to CF. DB is parallel to CF. This is equation number 2. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
कितने स्टेप हुए? 2 स्टेप. मैंने कितने स्टेप बोला था इसको? 4. 1 plus 2. अब थर्ड स्टेप लिखो. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AED plus area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle AGD plus area of triangle BDF. इसमें क्या करोगे बच्चों, ये जो एरिया आपका बीच वाला,
बोथ साइड ऐड कर
बोथ साइड क्या करोगे,
Add करोगे।
ऐड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB बोथ साइड, ऐड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB बोथ साइड। अब यहां ध्यान से देखो, AED ये वाला ठीक है बच्चों आपको,
यस सर यस सर
इसमें हमने इसको ऐड कर दिया
Yes, sir.
और उसका और क्या लिखा हुआ है हमारे पास उधर, BED, हाँ
Yes.
B सर BED नहीं होगा यहाँ पर,
DDF इधर होगा DD
वेट ये हो जाएगा AED हो जाएगा BCD। अब इसमें मैंने ऐड कर दिया BCD, आपको क्या मिल गया
पेंटागन
ABCD।
Yes. Pentagon.
फिर से बताया,
तो समझ आ
आगे
गया।
समझे, फिर से बताया बच्चों।
यस सर
देखो आपके पास AED पहले से था,
Yes, yes, sir.
ये था ना,
Yes, sir.
BCD पहले से था,
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर
इसमें आपने इस बीच वाले को ऐड कर दिया,
Yes, yes, sir.
तो आपको ये वाला फिगर मिल गया।
Yes, yes, sir. Pentagon.
क्या हो जाएगा ABCD, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल सॉरी पेंटागन ABCDE इज इक्वल टू, अब इधर राइट साइड की इक्वेशन देखो, AGD को लो, AGD इसमें ऐड कर दिया आपने ADB और आपके पास पहले से था BDF, क्या मिल गया ADF मिल गया, इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल GDF। ओके,
हाँ ये
ये नहीं प्रूव करना था मुझे,
Yes.
वहाँ DDF है तो सेम
ये स्टॉप कर दे इसको,
Yes.
चलिए गॉड ब्लेस।